Good evening, everybody, and welcome to your executive summary for stock setups for Wednesday. Whoop, 1 second. Stock setups for Wednesday, and what a day it was. Of course, a lot of volatility in the market today, back and forth, and the market really didn't do anything, but there was some great performance from some of the stocks. I mean, one of the ones, of course, we've been following for the last few weeks that really just did a great job today, going right up into its target. We're looking for a target of 983. Today rallied from a low of 875 right into that target and cleaning up. Of course, this was an alert that we had published right back when, I think back here on February 17th, back when it was 589. Beautiful rally and going right up into its target area. Of course, we've been commenting on this throughout the executive summary for the last few weeks as one of our favorites. That is now finished off. Okay, now we can also have a look at two of the new ones from last night doing really well. WAC, beautiful rally. That was up 4.59%, so approaching its target really nicely. And of course, we have ILMN, which was the one we actually sent a text message out to all of our students. If you didn't receive that, you can take the trial and you'll receive those as those trades come about. But it hadn't quite pulled back to its entry point, but it was very strong. So we took it prematurely, and that paid off. Let's have a quick look here. Sorry, I knew I was looking at the wrong one. IMGN, sorry, too many pharmaceutical stocks. IMGN was the one that we were actually looking for here. We took this a little bit prematurely because it was just looking so strong and holding its moving averages very well. So we sent out the alert that we were going to be buying the call options on that we talked about last night. Those were up really beautifully. The stock up 7.32%, and this looks like it's just going to keep on going. So also a very big high performer today. Now, in terms of the new stock, there's just one for today, MDLZ, and it's actually a short position. We're looking at this as a possible short. You can see that the money flow has dropped sharply, and it's just rallied up, hit the moving averages. So yeah, just looking really, really good. It's obviously broken a new low here over yesterday's candle, and the moving averages closing on it nicely. And so this could, now we may get a rally back tomorrow, so if you do, that's going to be a gift. It could pull back up to the $40.50 area, $40 and say 60-cent area, depending on where that moving average comes down. But the 50 is what you want to watch if it does have a rally back. But either way, this has got very well priced options. They're in the 20 to 30% implied volatility, which means there's not a lot of risk built into the pricing of the options. And I would be looking at the $38 puts for either April or May, really. And those $48 puts are priced at 42 cents and 92 cents respectively. Let me just check. So 40 cents and 92 cents is what those put options are. So it's an interesting play where the drop in the stock really doesn't seem to be factored yet into the price of the option, and lots of puts trading on the market today. So lots of people picking up those option prices. So we'll see how those open tomorrow. But obviously, any kind of a rally, and that would be a gift. But that looks like a trade I'd be looking to take tomorrow, and I'm going to be setting that up and watching to enter that myself in the morning. So that could be exciting, and obviously I'd be looking to take profit anywhere around kind of this $37 area. If we can get a nice big drop of $3 on a 40-cent option, obviously the upside is quite substantial. So of course that's that would be the executive summary for this evening. Now, if you do have obviously if you are watching open range, we are not yet broken. And so we're still waiting to see if we're going to break higher or lower. We're still obviously going sideways at the moment, so we're kind of waiting to see which way the market's going to break. So make sure that if you are not a member, that you continue to receive these video alerts every day, and because they're certainly not failing us by any stretch of the word at the moment. We expect this to continue. Simply follow the link in your email to take a $9 trial to receive these for a full month, along with our practical lessons we run every Tuesday, Thursday, called Trading Room, where we show you how this is all done and how we find them. So for $9, again, best trade you'll probably ever make, and we hope to see you there on Thursday night and the executive summary tomorrow. Take care and happy trading.